Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to log in to Milestone credit card on mobile. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the process. So first of all, launch any web browser according to your preference. So for now, I'm just going to launch Safari. Now once you're here, just go to the search bar and search for Milestone credit card login. Okay, here we go. Now once you are here, just tap on the website that is on top, which is milestone.myfinanceservice.com. Here we go. And now within a matter of seconds, you'll be led to this page. Now simply start by entering your username. So now let me enter my username here. Here we go. Now simply enter your password of your Milestone credit card account. Now, after you have entered your password, simply tap on the option of Login. If you are new, you can always tap on the option of Register Now to create your new account. And in case if you have forgotten your username or password, tap on this option below so that you can recover your account, username or password in order to log in to Milestone credit card account. So that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.